Where can I get free 1099 forms?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to help you navigate the world of tax forms, specifically, where you can find free 1099 forms. No matter whether you're an individual contractor or a business owner, at some point, you might need to fill out one of these. But don't worry, it's easier than you think to get these forms for free.
What is a 1099 form?
The 1099 form is a type of IRS tax form that reports income from self-employment earnings, interest and dividends, government payments, and more. These forms are generally used by businesses and other institutions to report the income they've paid to others. If you're an independent contractor, for example, you might receive a 1099 form detailing the income you received from a particular client.
Where to find free 1099 forms?
There are multiple places you can find free 1099 forms. 1. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The IRS provides free copies of 1099 forms on its website. However, you should note that these copies are generally for informational purposes only, and cannot be used to submit your 1099 form. 2. Online Tax Filing Services. Some online tax filing services also offer free 1099 forms as part of their software. When you use these services to file your taxes, they will typically provide the necessary forms for you. 3. Local libraries or post offices. Some libraries and post offices also carry free copies of 1099 forms during tax season. You can call ahead to confirm if they have them in stock. 4. Local IRS offices. You can also pick up 1099 forms from your local IRS office, though availability may depend on the time of year and the specific office.
Important considerations.
While there are several ways to get free 1099 forms, remember that you'll still need to fill them out correctly and submit them by the tax deadline. If you're unsure about any aspect of the process, it's a good idea to consult with a tax professional. Additionally, keep in mind that you may need different versions of the 1099 form depending on the specific type of income you need to report. We hope this information has been helpful and has made the process of finding and using 1099 forms a little less daunting. Remember, tax forms are a vital part of maintaining compliance and avoiding penalties, so always take care to complete and submit them accurately and promptly. As always, please reach out to a tax professional if you have any doubts. Good luck with your tax preparations.